Guys, can you see that? That's a huge waterfall. We are going up the hill, guys. This is an adventure for me. Never seen such a thing before. Dirt road, dangerous road, in a small minivan. We are going to enjoy myself in the waterfall. Yo guys, it has been a wonderful ride. Like this is a whole adventure on its own. I didn't know it was like this. You know, I chose to go on a bus, like a minibus, and be like a local. And now look at this, full of harsh roads. It's very bumpy. This is not just bumpy, but everything that you can think of. I'm still here, going up the hill, going to see the waterfall. What's the name of the waterfall?
Materuni Waterfall. Then the name of the waterfall is Materuni Waterfall. So we are going to see that.
Yeah, Materuni Waterfall. As I said, it's a big and a huge one. It's 100 meters tall, and I can't wait to see it. Yeah, it's super cold here right now. That's like the road is so bad. You can see it. Like, I'm going like that. You know, it's super cold here, so I'm not going to swim in the pool. From the waterfall, I'm just going to like this is my new friend. Mario. Yo.
I don't like to call me photo my friend.
You don't like photo? You don't like photo?
I don't like it. I don't like the photo. I don't like the photo.
Okay.
Oh, you. I'm the couple.
What did you drink? What did you drink? What did you drink?
That's Zambia, boy.
What did you drink?
What do
you smoke?
I don't smoke. I'm the couple.
That's Zambia.
So,
What?
it's super high. Do you know where you're going to?
What? I'm a super.
Super high, like Superman. Yeah,
I know
Superman.
I'm super high.
No, Superman.
Superman.
Yes. You feel like you can fly right now.
So I say me.
Or Spider-Man.
I know Spider.
You want Superman?
I am a Superman.
Alright, Superman. So you're super high, alright? Superman.
I am Superman.
Yes, you don't like Spider-Man.
I am
Yes, and every Superman is super high.
I am a Superman.
Yes. Alright, Asante. See, we are not even 5 minutes into the journey, and I'm so tired, guys. The road is so slippery, guys. It's super slippery. I nearly fell. Let's go. So we are on top of a mountain, like a hill. I feel like we are on Kilimanjaro. Are we on the mountain or what?
Yes. In case you don't know that, we are already in Kilimanjaro.
Okay.
Yeah, but not at the starting point. Do you see these hills?
Okay.
You know, this is the way to start climbing the mountain.
Oh.
Anything you see, the way the road is narrow, that is the starting of climbing the Mount Kilimanjaro.
Okay.
You know, Mount Kilimanjaro has the different parts when you climb. So the first starts when you climb up to the camp. The first camp is the forest. So this is the way of the forest. This is the same way.
Okay.
When you reach to the first camp. So
right.
you are in Kilimanjaro.
Thank you so much. But this time we are not going to the mountain, we are going to the waterfall.
And that water, in case you didn't know about this, that water come directly from the mountain, Kilimanjaro.
I'll fetch some home. I'll bring some to Accra, Ghana, so you guys can have a feel of how Mountain Kilimanjaro water looks like.
Yes,
so, yes. Let's just go and see what they have there. Yes. It's quite cold here. I don't know the degrees here, but it's cold. Yeah,
it's very cold. Very cold.
So yo, I can see the waterfall from here. It's dripping down, and I can hear the loud roar from the waterfall
penetrating into your ears directly.
That tells you how huge it is, because I'm really far from it and I can see it very far. Bro, you guys should know where we are standing. Look at where we are standing. It's so scary, man.
Bro,
really scary. Like, come forward and see what it is.
Oh my goodness.
I don't want to trip, man. Like
it's crazy, it's crazy.
So let's just go and see how the waterfall looks like. Yes. Yo guys, so yeah, I've made it halfway through. We are like 10 minutes close to the waterfall, and I can show you this beautiful experience. Let's go.
Heading to the waterfall.
Guys, this shoe is going to end its life here. I started YouTube with this shoe and it's going to end in Tanzania after 2 years. So now we are extremely close to the water. I can see some gutters here with the water running through it. Yes. Which means that the waterfall is around the corner. Come with us, let's go and see how it looks like. My brother here has done an amazing job to save me from falling. Yo, it's so slippery on the mountain.
You're welcome, bro.
But I've just fallen and go down the hill. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. Asante. Welcome. Guys, yo, I wouldn't advise anyone to come here. If you want to come, use some parachutes up the hill.
But okay, you can come here during the dry season. Okay. You came at the wrong time.
But at the right time.
At the right for you. For me, it's good. Yeah. But if you come here and you take me, I can take you here, it's fine. Because I'm a strongest after Wolf King. I've been to the top of the Mount Kilimanjaro many times. I forgot about that. How many times that? But because I'm here, I don't choose. Rainfall season, dry season.
You go.
Boom.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
So we came across a beautiful mama here.
Yeah.
Selling samosa.
Yeah, let's get this.
I want to get some samosa. How much?
100.
Oh,
200?
200. This is how samosa look like here. This thing is really good. Samosa with potatoes. It's so good. They're invited, guys.
Let me get some pepper.
Pepper, yeah. Chili.
Chili.
Karibu. This is my last steak. Mama is laughing at me. Mama?
Yeah. Asanteni.
Karibu. Karibu. Ah, you say sexy dog. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, bro. No, I didn't get it. You need to clear your shoe.
Na utembee uone dunia ikoje, wengine wanaishije. Utasema ukiwa kwenye bahati yako ni kwenye mahali pazuri. Sasa unajiona labda wengine wanaishi kuoneni sasa.
So I only heard watoto. Watoto means a kid. So all he's trying to say is travel whilst you are a kid or whilst you are young, whilst you have the strength. So that's what you are doing. He's still strong. He's doing it as just like us. Now this is how close we are at the checkpoint, and it's just like 1 minute walk to it. So I can't just wait to show you how it looks like. It's super cold here, so I don't think I can swim. They say if the weather is cold, water is warm, but I'm not going to try that. I'm never going to try that. So let's go and see how big, huge, long the waterfall is here in Moshi, inside the mountain Kilimanjaro. So guys, we are in a narrow way or a narrow path to the place. It's a slippery, muddy, dangerous. Dangerous because on the right side there is a valley. On the left side there's also a valley. You see how it is? It is so, it's like a steep, both on the left and on the right. Pole, 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 pole. So I'm telling him to take his time. Small, 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 small. Yes, so guys, it's really dangerous. So we have to take our time to walk to the waterfall. It's going to be step by step and then mind our step as well. To help me fly if I try to trip. Guys, can you see that? I see the waterfall out there. This is amazing, so beautiful, guys. Finally I'm here, but he's telling me we still have more hiking to do. We've done 1 hour, 30 minutes, close to 2 hours, and he's telling me there's more hiking to do. It's true though, this is like a steep and it's still wet, slippery, but yes, let's do it. finally, after 2 hours in the journey, we made it. We made it. That's a huge waterfall. That's a huge waterfall there.
This is one of the most huge waterfalls in Tanzania.
Let's go, man. Go. I can't wait to get closer. After 2 hours of trekking, we are finally here. You can see behind me now, I believe this is the longest waterfall here in Tanzania and maybe Africa as well.
maybe.
Yo, I really like this, man. It's a very good experience. It's worth the trek, 2 hours into the journey. I love it. How much more Kilimanjaro? Man, I can do Kilimanjaro. That's all I can do. So guys, please, if you want me to do Kilimanjaro, leave it in the comment section. It will take 3 days to go up the hill, up the mountain of Kilimanjaro and come back. Man, this is beautiful, guys. This is amazing. If you're out there and you are here in Tanzania anytime in Moshi, please do well to come pass by. What's the name of the waterfall again?
Materuni Waterfall.
Materuni Waterfall. Thanks to my brother, African Wolf King. He has brought me here and I really love it, guys. Yeah, so this is the waterfall. I'm going to show you from above and how majestic it looks from above. So I'm going to see you on the other side. Please, if you don't subscribe to the YouTube channel and if it's your first time seeing me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get the notification anytime I post a video, and check out my brother, Wolf, African Wolf King.
Yeah.
He is the best. Yo, I'm feeling cold, man.
Also, I'm feeling cold. I see you too. That's dope, bro.